If you're seeing a Monday.com error that says import failed or even export failed in some cases, don't worry, this is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to troubleshoot the problem so you can get your file working again without wasting time. This is a common issue when Monday.com doesn't like the file format, the headers, or missing required data. So stay with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to check. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com runs into a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it takes to reset the import screen. After refreshing, try the import again and see if the error clears. If it still fails, move on to the next step, because the issue is most likely with the file itself. Now check your import file very carefully. Monday.com usually expects a clean CSV or Excel file, depending on the import method you're using. If the file is in the wrong format, the import can fail right away. Make sure you are using the correct file type and then open the file to inspect the structure. One of the biggest causes of import errors is mismatched headers. Your column names in the file need to match the columns Monday.com is expecting. If the board columns and spreadsheet headers don't align, the import may not know where to place the data. Also look for empty required fields. If Monday.com expects certain values and one of those rows is blank, the import can fail. Go through your sheet and make sure every required column has data filled in. If needed, remove any blank rows, fix missing values, and save the file again before trying the upload one more time. If you're still running into the error, double-check that your spreadsheet is formatted cleanly. Avoid merged cells, strange symbols, or hidden formatting that can sometimes confuse the importer. In many cases, simply exporting the file again as a fresh CSV or Excel document can solve the issue. Once you've made those corrections, go back to Monday.com and try the import again. Most of the time, one of these three things fixes the problem: refreshing the page, using the correct file format, or making sure the headers and required fields are correct. If the import still does not work, repeat the check one more time slowly, because even one small mismatch can cause the whole process to fail. That's it. You've now learned how to fix the Monday.com import failed error by refreshing the page and checking the file format, headers, and required fields. If this video helped, please like this video and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials and quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.